Hey Speed Society Car Club, it's Brian Cole. I am here for the unboxing and the reveal of Speed Society Car Club drop number 39. This month is continuing the path of automotive history and heritage and really telling the story of a different discipline and a different focus of automotive racing, motorsports. If you kind of recall a few months back, we've done everything from the awesome Nürburgring with the 917 Porsche. We did an amazing feature and focus on Group B Rally. We did Lakesters for Salt Flat Racing. Well, this month is going more in the sports car focus for American racing heritage itself. You know, things that we have been doing over, the beginning of time, from hot rodding and the Lakesters to the fruition of NASCAR racing, right? From IndyCar racing, so many things that have happened in America. A lot of people look at sports car motorsports, specifically as, a European sport, F1, things of that nature. Well, we have a very rich and deep history here in America, and we should be proud of that. And this month is no different, and this focuses on when America took the passion of wanting to win and to fight to European sports car racing, and that is no other than fighting at Le Mans against Ferrari and the Ford GT40. So that is the theme of this month, the American racing heritage of the Ford GT40, and we created an amazing drop. Really trying to focus on the American racing heritage and our pride of doing whatever it takes as Americans and as humans, as people, to persevere, never say no, and most importantly, never giving up, right? And that story we all know too well. We know how much it took and how much effort it took to really compete, and all the trials and tribulations that were involved for Ford to actually make a stand and to fight against, the king at the time being Ferrari, and winning Le Mans from 1960 to 1965 directly against Ferrari, and then consistently carrying that torch from 66 to 69. So, as always, I don't want to spend too much time getting into this. I want to get to what you want to see, and that is what comes in the drop. What was the design direction behind the actual drop itself? And we always start with an insert. So in every single drop you get every month, you get the insert that tells the design direction, the story, the theme of this limited edition drop for Car Club members. You get 2 limited edition decals, and you get, of course, that exclusive shirt that can never be bought anywhere on the planet, only for Car Club members. So without going a little bit too deep into this, we have the insert. So ARH, that's for American Racing Heritage. This is the insert itself. This tells the entire story, the whole theme process behind the GT40 and American Racing Heritage. We have a very cool Car Club logo with the red, white, and blue, and that's definitely the theme for American Racing Heritage. We have the very, very cool decal of the Ford GT40 with Speed Society Car Club. The definition and detail on this is impeccable. Such a cool car, such a important car, such an important part of our history, and something that is near and dear to our hearts, and I'm sure to yours as well. That's a really, really cool decal. Let's get directly into the shirt. So the shirt is extremely exciting, and of course we are focusing on a red, white, and blue theme. Only makes sense for American Racing Heritage. But we did this month on a cool gray blank, and I'm gonna get right into it. And starting, like always, with the front hit, the Speed Society Car Club hit on the left chest. So we have right here, the Speed Society Car Club hit, red, white, and blue. And on the right arm, like always, we have the limited edition number for the Speed Society Car Club, this being specifically Speed Society Car Club number 39. And this one is really cool. We've got the red, white, and blue flag. We've got the stars on both sides of the flag. Just doing a different cool design and take on on American racing. I'm gonna get right into the back. The back of the shirt is killer, and I may be lagging a little bit here. It's just a lot to take in, and really kind of embodies the American racing heritage that we're trying to focus on, and kind of rings home to us being really hardcore car enthusiasts, and that bonds, that fight, that will, something pretty special. So here is the drop. Here is the American racing heritage. I love it. I think that you guys are gonna absolutely love this as well. I mean, what's not to like? We've got this awesome call out of American racing heritage. We got the beautiful GT40 and this all blue kind of monochromatic feel just on that graphic itself. We've got a cool kind of design element here with the red and white to tie everything in with the red, white, and blue. We have Speed Society Car Club, and really cool limited edition number 39. Again, this is all built for you. This is for you to represent being a true car enthusiast, and being able to tell these stories, you know, run across people see these and they're so excited about it and want to know, like, what is this about? What is Speed Society Car Club? You know, what does it mean to be a member? It's the great equalizer, right? It brings us all together. It's that place that we can call our own. It represents all of us. So this is another great story to be told. This is a great art piece. This is a limited edition piece of art that you are going to have and you are going to own. And we're super excited about it. There's always very fine-tuned details that we always put into our pieces. A lot of them I elaborate on. Some of them I leave as Easter eggs. So much goes into these shirts and these designs. But here we've got this amazing piece of art, custom piece of art. Number 39 is also included in the door number on the gumball itself. Of course, the limited edition number 39. And this is a very, very cool drop. I think you guys are gonna love it. And it's great for, again, this time, what we're going through in America. It's definitely something that we wanted to focus on and bring back some pride and be happy and prideful for who we are, what we've achieved when it comes to humans and also as motorsports enthusiasts. So that's the drop. We're super excited about it. And on top of that, to carry on the red, white, and blue theme, we have our brand new limited edition Hot Wheels that just dropped. And that couldn't be any more cool if you could see that. This is very limited. This just dropped in the store. It is live, just like the Speed Society Car Club number 39. We're super excited about it. One of the coolest and most premium Hot Wheels ever made to this point in time. And check out that Speed Society. So we're excited. We love you all. We can't do this without you. It's been a crazy couple of months. We have so much coming up for you guys that we've been working on that we're gonna start releasing in this crazy layer of creativity and madness. You guys are everything to us. And again, we can't do this without you. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.